Here's what it's like driving in a winter wonderland in Missouri. All white. 7 in the morning. I don't know. Trying to make it to work, see what happens. Trying to get there. Probably get there and turn me around and say, we're not working today, going back home. If I do that, I'm going to be mad. Look at this. This is crazy. This is another 10 inches on top of the 10 we already had. I don't know how they're going to do this. Crazy. My car ain't even getting out of his driveway. Me and a few other lonely souls on the road today. Alright, guys, get back on the highway. I'm gonna try and get the highway, see what the highway looks like. Look at this. Crazy. One lane so far. That's all they got done. There's some snow plows over there. Can you see them? There they are. Yeah. Old truck. It's kind of rough on the road. Shoot a little bit more here, let you guys see what's going on down the highway in midwestern Missouri. Get pummeled again. Less than a week. Second major snowstorm we've had. Last Thursday we got about 12 inches of snow. Today we're supposed to get anywhere from 12 to 16 to 20 in different places. The wind's blowing hard. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's blowing across the highway there. Drifting. Well, it drifts on the long side of the road. The hell am I doing out here? Gotta make $1 somehow, I guess. Nowadays it's getting tough to make $1. Gotta get wherever I can. Alright, signing out. I'll let you know when I get back, when I get to work. I'll show you there. Oh, you guys gotta see this. Ooh, look at that. I got off the highway because I thought maybe this would be a little bit better, but I don't know. There's already cars off the road. You can't hardly see in front of you. Look at that. Crazy. Ain't this fun? Good thing I got a big truck. Snowplow in the ditch. Bye. Well, we're in Kansas now, folks. Just crossed the state line about 5 minutes ago. I'm about 2/3 the way there. And it's 7:35. Normally it takes me 20 minutes to get to work. Today, a little different. A little different. Kansas gets in their roads a little bit cleaner over here. Oh well. Still nasty. Supposed to do this almost all day. What fun we are having. I'm out. Well, we made it. 8 o'clock. Like this, me, the guy I work with, and 2 other people here. I'm trying to figure out, me and Big Red put it in. Ready to go plug it in. That's the back side of the building.